Hi guys, my name's Allison and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to dip your nails. Today I will be using Sparkle & Co.'s DP 113 Coffee Run Fierce. So today I will be showing you on a swatch stick instead. Now this swatch stick is not ready for dip. The base won't adhere very well, so what I'm doing is I'm grabbing my file and I'm roughing it up. That way the base and the dip have something to grab onto. So once I get all my filing done, I'm going to dust off my dust, and this is what your nail will look like. It'll just basically take the shine off. And I'm going to grab my Sparkle & Co. base bond. Very awesome stuff, but it does smell like glue, so try to be in a ventilated place. That way you don't get dip flu. Which if you get dip flu a lot, let me know. I've thought about doing a gel tutorial with how to dip your nails using gel. So let me know down below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my base bond and I'm just going to put a nice thin coat all over my nail. Obviously this is a swatch stick, so I have to do the entire nail. If I was doing my actual nails, I would not do it this way. I would not go straight down to the cuticle. And then I just dip my swatch stick in, or lay it in, and tap off my excess. And this is what it looks like after one dip. You're about to see, oh, I just love this color, guys. You're about to see all the amazingness. Like, look at that sparkle. Love it. And so now what I'm going to do is I am just going to dust off my excess and repeat the same steps of base bond, dip, base bond, dip. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all watch that, and I will be right back with you. So as you can see, I'm kind of going over and I'm wiping my brush to make sure that when I put it back in my base bond, I don't have glitter on it, because I don't want to ruin my base bond. So now that that's done, I'm going to grab my Kiara Sky Scoop Dip System container thing, which I will link in the description down below. Guys, I can't tell you how much of a lifesaver this thing has been, because I'm about to encapsulate this nail, which means I'm going to grab my Sparkle & Co. DP90 Crystal Clear, and I'm going to do the same step of base bond and then clear. But the reason I love this is because I can pour my clear over on the nail, and this will catch all of my excess. And I don't have to worry about contaminating my clear with glitter, because I love glitter. If you know me, you know I love glitter. But the last thing I want to be doing is doing a flat mani that doesn't have any glitter, dip it in my clear to encapsulate, and get glitter in it. So when I'm done, I can just pull the little scoop out and dump it right back in my clear, and it saves me from wasting all of that clear that would have just gone on a towel when I poured over it, or a cupcake liner that I can never seem to get all of my clear out of. And grab my Solidify, which is the activator. And the reason activator is so important is because it will harden your nail. If you were to try and file it like without activator, oh, you'd just be taking everything off. It'd be a giant mess. So I put a generous amount on to make sure I get through all of that. And I'm gonna let that dry for a second. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on another coat of the activator. And I'm gonna let that dry, grab my file. And what I'm doing here is I'm tapping my file onto the nail to hear a clicking sound to make sure that it is hard and ready to file. Also, I just wanted to feel and see how much I felt like I needed to file, which thankfully is not a lot, because this dip is awesome and it laid down so good. So I'm just gonna file and kind of shape that nail, and so I'll let y'all watch that and I'll be right back with you. So now I feel like I'm pretty much done filing. I'm getting there. So in a second, you will see me kind of touch the nail. And that is just to make sure that I got everything that I wanted right here. You'll see me touching my nail. I just want to make sure it's smooth and I don't have any weird ridges or anything. And I'm going to dust off my dust and grab my Sparkle & Co. top coat. I know it's a tiny bottle, but Christy is amazing and sells to where you can refill. She sells bigger containers. So now I'm putting on a clear coat, my top coat. Get a fuzzy out of there. You don't want that in your mani. And put a thin coat. And so I'm going to do that and then pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then my nail is done. I don't have to sit here and wait for the dip powder top coat to dry because I'm so impatient. So this is it, done. Pulled out of the lamp, done. You can see me touching it, everything's fine. And you can see this gorgeous color. I just love the dimension of it and how the light picks up those sprinkles, or those sparkles. And it's still super thin. It's not thick even with 4 dips on it, which is awesome. So if you liked this video, go ahead and subscribe and click that thumbs up. It's a free way you can help your girl out. And make sure to come back, and I will see y'all later. Got more videos coming up.